Hello everybody, now welcome to this vending machine video. We are at this shopping mall. Okay, on top we have McLaren, a Kia, and then behind we have the Japanese truck, but it is 2 rows behind. I don't know why. So I don't want to buy it. I have to pay for double. Kia Stinger. Okay, behind here we have a gasser in green color, which is very nice, but I have to buy the Triumph TR6 if I want that. Mazda RX-7. Behind the duck we have Porsche 944, Jeep Gladiator, Flintstone behind, Honda Integra, Batmobile, Batcopter, Dodge Ram, I can't see what is behind the tank. Now I'm going to buy this van. Magnus Walker is very nice. This Dodge Viper is a treasure hunt, and this appears to be a very old casting, an old cut. I'm going to be buying this Honda Prelude. We have the Polizei Volkswagen, a Nissan Skyline, which I will buy. Number 45 and 21. Let's see. Up there. So this is what I have bought. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.